Come in. Oh my
God! His computer doesn't seem to be working.
Please help!
Don't worry. I have the solution. It's called pressing the power switch. We got a close up there. We got a close up. Bum bum bum. And as soon as you press this amazing switch, lights come on everywhere, and it works. Now can you finally finish your course? I did it all right. Now then, do your homework. And I don't want to hear a peep out of you until you finish it.
This is highly recommended not to people under the age of 8 of possible computer breaking. I'm sorry.